Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I will show you how to create 3D animation using an AI tool. This AI tutorial will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. Anyone can create their own 3D animation movie without knowledge about 3D in animation. I will also show you how to create your own 3D character easily. By following this step-by-step guide that takes only a few minutes, I hope you can create your own 3D animation movie. So let's get started. In the first step, you have to create an account. To begin using the video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a DeepMotion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click the sign up button to create a new DeepMotion AI account. Then we create 3D characters. After logging into DeepMotion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu. You can follow the guide by clicking the Get Started button. Now click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Next, select an avatar model and click Next to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Additionally, you can change the avatar's hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. Once everything is set, click the Next button. You can register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue without sign up. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all the avatar information. Now we generate 3D AI animation from the DeepMotion AI dashboard. Go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video. In this example, I'm using a running video. Rename your file if needed and trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button if necessary. Once done, click the Save button. Go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. Uncheck the Include Original Video option and change the custom background to a solid green color. Set the camera mode to cinematic and enable or disable shadow and audio output as desired. When ready, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using DeepMotion AI. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button. Select MP4 format and click Download to save your animation video. Now we will edit the video with an animated background. Let's create an animated background for our video using Canva. Go to the Canva dashboard and choose the Video menu. Then, navigate to the Elements menu and search for animation in the search bar. Expand the video results and select your desired video animation. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Fix it in your canvas. Fix the duration. Now we combine the 3D video animation and animated background. For that, let's import our 3D animation video here. Begin by clicking on the Upload menu. Here, you'll upload the video we've created using DeepMotion. Once that's done, it's time to bring your creation to life. Simply drag and drop your video onto the canvas. Now let's seamlessly blend your video with our background. We're going to remove the background from your animation video. To do this, click on the Edit Video option. Inside, you'll discover a set of powerful tools to remove the video background. Just a few clicks and it'll work its magic. Be patient, it might take a moment. Voila, the background of your video has vanished, leaving behind your running character. Now let's harmonize this character with your chosen background. With that, your work is complete. To save your masterpiece, click on the Share button. Then select Download. Congratulations, you've just crafted a stunning animation video. I'm confident you'll continue to create even more flawless animations in the future. This animation video is created to guide you through the process of crafting your animations. Now, armed with these skills, you're ready to make captivating animation videos of your own. Here is the video result from this DeepMotion AI tutorial. Now you can create your own animation video using AI. If you want to know how to make thousands of short videos with ChatGPT and Canva, then watch this video. Or if you need the Canva Pro version for free or any kind of help, then comment, please. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work.